If your Epic Games Launcher says it's currently running, but you can't actually see it open, you're probably dealing with a stuck or ghost process in the background. That usually happens when the launcher crashes, but the old session stays trapped in system memory and blocks a new launch. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix that issue step by step, and I'll also show you a couple of extra repair methods in case the first fix doesn't work. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, press Ctrl, Shift and S on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If it opens in the compact view, click More Details so you can see the full list of running processes. Now click the Processes tab at the top. This is where Windows shows you everything that's actively running in the background, including apps that may be frozen or hidden. Next, scroll down carefully and look for anything related to Epic Games. You may see EpicGamesLauncher, Epic Web Helper, or even more than one related process. If you find one, right-click it and choose End Task. This forces Windows to close the stuck process completely. If you see multiple Epic-related entries, end each one individually so nothing is left behind. Once that's done, close Task Manager and try opening the Epic Games Launcher again normally. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem immediately because the ghost process is no longer blocking the app from starting. If the launcher still refuses to open, the next step is to run it with administrator permissions. To do that, find your Epic Games Launcher shortcut on the desktop. Right-click it and select Properties in the Properties window. Go to the Compatibility tab at the top. Then check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply, then click OK. This tells Windows to always give the launcher the elevated permission it may need to start correctly, especially if a normal launch is being blocked by system restrictions or background conflicts. Now try opening the launcher again and see if the issue is resolved. If it still says currently running, there's one more fix you should try. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type appwiz.cpl and press Enter. This opens Programs and Features where you can manage installed desktop applications. Now scroll through the list until you find Epic Games Launcher. Right-click it and choose Repair if that option is available. Then let the Verification or Repair wizard scan the installation and patch the program files automatically. This process can fix damaged launcher files, missing components or broken configuration data that may be causing the startup problem. Once the repair finishes, restart your computer if needed. Then try launching Epic Games again. In most cases, one of these three methods will fix the issue: ending the hidden process, running as administrator, or repairing the installation. If you are able to get it working, let me know in the comments which step solved it for you. And if you want more simple fixes like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.